we making this deal for real? Are we gonna do this?
Are you gonna film me? Put me on
Yeah, of course I'm gonna film it. Dude, we're doing it. I'll even tag you and everything, bro. We're gonna get you famous.
We out here, bro.
If you're not on World Star,
how long of a twerk do you want?
Bro, as long as you feel. I want you to be in the moment.
Okay, I'll do. Okay, I got you.
So the deal was that he will twerk. I don't know why we're doing this, but we're doing it. We're out here. He will do it if he gets to sit in the Supra, which,
by the way, is right over here. But
I'll twerk in front of the Supra, yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna twerk in front of the Supra?
In front of the Supra.
Oh, perfect.
Come on, get it loose.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Hey. Get up, bro. Go off this. Go off this. Hey. What's up, cool guy?
Get dressed first? Oh yeah, bro.
No, bro, you didn't have to flex on us like that, bro.
What's going on, Noir Gang? Welcome back to another video. So today is a day where I decided to throw a meet last minute, and
not too bad. A lot of cool cars are showing up, airing out on us. Speaking of, stop flexing on us, bro. Stop!
so I tend to throw these meets just to have something chill in the area because the Miami scene kind of died out a little bit, or it became too hectic and everybody just does burnouts and all that stuff. It's a pretty chill park and chill.
Hey, more people are coming, so pretty cool.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you're pretty tall. It's not fair. Yeah, this is just super cheating. Like that's not even fair. Oh yeah, that's right. And that was the deal. Now he gets to sit in the Supra. Oh, and he's giving you the key? Yo, drive it out.
Yeah.
You know you gotta flex on the gram.
Yeah, but you gotta turn on sport, man, cause like that is like that.
You get those pops.
Oh, did we do another study?
Nah, it was defaults, man.
Oh, defaults.
Dude, with a downpipe though, oof. How hard is it to get out though?
Big boy like me.
But those twerk skills are A1 though. We got people flexing turbos on us, people flexing airbag systems. Like, wait, where's your BMW at? Damn, did I see it pull in or did I film you?
It's just very quiet until
If you guys don't remember, this is Manny, the guy who got me to like a different dimension. Don't laugh at me. He got you too.
It's okay, he got me too. He's the one that broke the bumper?
Yeah, actually, damn, don't do that to me. So if you guys don't know, this is Sleepless Performance.
Hey, my boy.
Wow, that was corny. Wow.
I'm not a YouTuber.
What do you mean, bro? But yeah, whatever. So look at this guy's car. What, was that mean? That came out mean, didn't
That's
it?
funny.
Dang, what a jerk. What a jerk. TE power, baby. But what's that?
I think at least.
Well, I can't hide that. That's what every 350s does.
Hey, you want to talk shit, Benny? Oh, hold on.
Oh, you gonna start the car?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna show him something.
What, the Heineken? So he's got a supercharged GE, and the good thing about it is that he actually does it. He actually does it all himself.
Never catch me.
Pretty dope, pretty slow, pretty cool. But make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. If you guys like, we can get a review on his video eventually. But he likes to show up like once every decade.
Wow, I live far.
All right, so it's pretty chill. At least it's starting to pack out a little bit. Everybody looks like they're enjoying themselves and all that. But dude, it's just the view itself is pretty dope.
I wanted to throw it here because the last spot that I was throwing at used to get like swarmed with people that were just trying to race and do dumb crap. You can't really do that here.
Like, it's literally a garage. You do something stupid, there's cops like right down the stairs, and there's security also. So good spot, right? You like it?
It's a great spot.
You're welcome. Dude, I know, right? That's what I said. You're welcome, fam. Bro, why do you keep flexing your bags on us, bro?
Bro, when you pay that much, you use it for a reason.
Oh my god, bro. You like these bag Mustangs?
The bagged Mustangs, bro. Dude, come on. He's sitting on the floor, man.
Dude, for real. Like, you know, he's not laying frame though, is he? But this is just looks so hard.
Okay,
like,
look at his side skirt. Like, come on.
I know. I can appreciate a nice Mustang. It's nice when they're not hitting crowds, you know? Oh my god.
Oh my god. And he's not a Mustang. Oh my god.
I was like, wait, don't do it yet, because you're actually like in the light.
Bro, let me hide it.
Dude, what do you mean, bro? You're too fast for us slow guys, us peasants. Dude, look at this, man. You know when I do that VR30, I'm coming after you, Lewis.
I know, bro. I know. I can't wait, you know. I have the other one just in case, you know, the Q50.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, but you actually kept that one like stock, right?
Yeah, that's stock.
Dude, well, I mean, you guys want to see turbo VHRs? Turbo VHR versus VR30? It's gonna be fun.
No, it's gonna be soon.
Unless you bring out your Q50, then I'll stay home. It's such a hard flex, bro. But yeah, your Z is one of my favorites in Miami, like hands down. You can't just be popping up out of nowhere.
That's my move.
Hey! What? Hey, we got Henry, bro.
What's up, man?
You like this spot? Is this spot a lot nicer?
A lot nicer, bro.
Where's your Nismo?
Right in there.
Oh, well, dang, I can't even. I'll go find it eventually.
Henry is the guy that actually traded my wheels with, and now he has my old ones.
You guys, if you are OG, let me get to the other side. There's no good lighting. There's no good lighting for Henry's car. But if you guys are OGs, you've been watching me for a minute, you know what wheels these are, man. There we go. You're so clutch. And where's that Nor gang? Ooh. Oh, wait. There it is. I miss that so much.
You miss them?
Yeah, kind of sometimes, but not really.
I know. I'm starting to. I want to get the new. Bro, I want to get the new Z1 Nismo wheels.
Oh, they look nice.
Bro,
they look
and
nice.
black edition, dude.
You never clean your car. Oh, but look how scenic that is, bro. Damn! No, you can stay in the shot. Damn! Oh, that Spider-Man pose. Damn, Henry, don't stun on him too hard, fam. Dang. Ooh.
Maybe changed since I was like 12.
I'm sorry us peasants can't hang out. I'm sorry, bro. Dude, to be honest, I was like, please don't shoot flames on my legs. I mean, look, okay, now to kind of catch you guys up, we're disputing whether this guy should shoot flames or not.
Hi.
But now that you're on YouTube, I kind of feel like you have to.
Now I have
Go warm up your car. Go do something, bro. Come on.
And pull out a little bit.
Yeah, so he never pulls out. Come on, bro.
I'll pull like right there and send it and then leave.
Okay, that sounds fair. Oh, rich? Manny, so tell us the secret. How do we get rich like you, bro?
That's this guy.
How do we get rich like you
Manny's like,
guys?
yeah, this guy.
How do we get rich like all three of you guys?
Yeah, record Manny. I'll make a voiceover real quick for him.
It's cocaine.
Bank owns it. The bank owns it.
Headshot.
Dude, that's always this guy. Oh, you guys in your bank-owned
Bro,
cars?
it's all I got.
Hey, Banker America still owns mine.
Sends the meme with Kermit the Frog. They're modding the bank's car.
Oh, we're getting kicked out. Do it next to the BMW so it explodes. Now get the out.
Okay, bye. I love you all.
Bye. Who invited that guy?
3, 2, 1. Hear the sirens.
All of a sudden, he's like, I hear shots. It's over, bro.
Bet you $5 he's gonna do it on the way down so it can be even louder.
Of course, he wouldn't be a Z guy if he didn't.
Well, I mean, that's it. Liam had to ruin the meet, you know, whatever. Not that I encouraged it or anything.
Keep going. Thanks, Liam. Now everybody's leaving, bro. What a jerk.
What a grade A dick, you know, like, not that we encouraged him and everything, but
I blame you guys.
Yeah. I gotta go home.
Later, bro. Bye, big sexies. You're not a Mustang. Try not to hit people. Later, bro. Whoa. You gotta do it again. BMW, guys!
it wasn't even the V8 guys this time. Like, I actually give you guys props. It was us. It was us.
You don't have to leave, but thank you. Later, bro. You're not Liam. You can watch music videos in your car?
What's up?
That's a BMW thing? You can watch music videos in your car?
Sir,
I feel so poor next to you, bro. They just keep...
Calling the bank!
See, look, you guys play nice.
Oh, don't record this.
Too late. It's usually the V8 guys, but this time it was...
I think I'm just gonna call it a day. And also thank you guys for everybody who actually came by. I don't know if this is gonna be a short video or not, but thank you guys for watching. As always, if you guys like the content, just make sure you hit like and subscribe. I throw these meets at least like once every 2 months. Henry, you good, fam?
It's always the Mustangs. Sounds good though.
That
Sounds good. You want to close out the video?
Sure.
So wait, no, you gotta do the kiss thing. You have to say, wait. So make sure that you like, subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to leave a comment what was your favorite part of the video. And as always, give me a kiss.